Hi, and welcome. Today we'd like to give you an overview of how you can access a collection of books and audiobooks available through the Northport-East Northport downloadable collection using the OverDrive database. All you need to access this collection is the 9-digit barcode on your library card, the password you have associated with it, and a portable device of your choice. That can be an iPhone, a tablet, a computer, or a Kindle device. So let's get started. If you go to the library's homepage, which is nenpl.org, you will see a listing of our most popular links in the left margin. Here is where you click on Downloads to get to another list, the various book and media databases available through the library. The first database listed is OverDrive. Click on that icon and you will get OverDrive's main page. Now, while you can use the search feature without an OverDrive account, your results will be limited and you won't be able to download any items. So the first thing you'll need to do is create an account. You'll do that by clicking on the Sign In button on the right side of the page, and either of the two buttons will do. On the next page, use the drop-down menu to scroll down and select your library, Northport-East Northport. And here is where you will need the information associated with your library card. Enter your 9-digit barcode followed by your password, then click on Sign In. You'll then be sent back to the library page, which is where our downloadable OverDrive collection is located. Take note of the available links at the top of the page and click on each to see the various ways you can access everything in the database. For instance, click on Subjects and you'll see a breakdown by subject of the items and the number of items in a given subject area that are included in the collection. Each subject area is a clickable link. At the top of the page, you have the ability to limit your results by format. Click on Collections and you'll see a listing of some of the more popular areas of interest. For example, Lonely Planet Travel Guides, or The Great Courses, or Film Festival Picks. Don't forget, OverDrive has movies too. All of these areas are broken down by format. The remaining categories are similar while targeting reads for kids, teens, and a collection of items that are available in Spanish. But in most cases, when you access OverDrive, you'll be searching for a particular title or a particular author. In order to conduct such a search, you can simply click on the search button and type in that title or author. For example, let's search for the very popular title, Where the Crawdads Sing. When the images of the books covered are displayed, take note of the following. First, the format that the book is available in, which can be either an ebook or an audiobook, because you want to make sure that you select the appropriate one, depending on whether you want to read or want to listen to the book. Then at the top of the book cover, you can see if the book is available for immediate download. If the book is not currently available, you will have to go on a wait list. If you click on wait list, you'll be able to see approximately how long it would be before the book is available for you. If you want to go on a wait list, simply click on the wait list button, enter your email address in the next window, and you'll be notified when the book is available for download. Once you're notified, if you're not ready for that particular item, OverDrive offers you the ability to control your holds by letting you choose Deliver Later. By choosing this option, the item will skip over your request, deliver it to the next person on the wait list, and you'll maintain your place on the list. Let's go back to the OverDrive main page. Now is a good time to show you two useful icons that are located at the top of the page. The first is this little bell icon. When you click on that, a window will open and show you any notifications that you may have about a requested item being available for you to download. You'll still receive an email notification, but this is a shortcut for you if you're already on the OverDrive page. And when you click on this little book icon, you'll see a list of items that you have checked out. Keep in mind when you're using OverDrive and downloading books that you can borrow 7 titles at a time and place 5 holds at a time. So far we've gone through the process of looking for a single book, but what if you belong to a book group and several people want the same title? Just like books in print, the number of downloadable copies available are limited. That number is usually determined by the publisher, and sometimes a particular title may only be available to offer the option of going on a wait list. Not exactly an ideal situation when you have a date in mind for your next book club meeting. So here's a collection provided by OverDrive that may be particularly useful for book clubs. If you click on Collections at the top of the main page, you'll see a link to now available popular ebooks you might have missed. Click on that and you'll see, just as it said, popular ebooks you might have missed. Click on any one of these book jacket icons and you can see that many copies are available for immediate download. This can be extremely useful for book clubs, particularly virtual book clubs, when participants can't, for whatever reason, obtain a print copy from the library. So when considering what to read next, whether it's for a book club or for yourself, you may want to visit this section of OverDrive to select your title. And one final feature that we'll look at today is called Your Lucky Day. If you're ready for a read right now and you can read it in 7 days, you may want to look at this collection of some of the hottest titles that are available for immediate download. It's not a huge list, but the list changes all the time and it contains some very popular titles. Keep in mind, though, that these titles can only be borrowed for 7 days. We hope this introduction to our OverDrive downloadable collection has been helpful. Keep in mind this was only an overview of the basic aspects of the database. There are many more features and capabilities that you can explore on your own simply by clicking around the page to see what's available and what suits your needs. So remember to check out our OverDrive collection to find your next great read. Thank you and have a great day.